Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share something I made just for myself for Sad Morn Makes, hosted by Jill Norwood. I figured I'd put that on the hashtag. Um, I had bought some composition notebooks, the mini composition notebooks, or quarter half of a composition notebook. I've been looking for these forever, and I finally found them at my or at a Walmart near me. And my friend Nada sat. We were chatting, and we said, "Oh, let's work on our composition notebooks." And I was crumpling all my paper when we were doing it, and just today I started covering the notebook and adding, some washi to the edges. So yeah, this is paper that I had in my stash forever, and if you know me, I love Paris, and I love the Eiffel Tower. It's always been a favorite of mine ever since I started crafting. I used some graphic 45 paper. I'm not sure what I'm I'm not sure where this paper came from, but anyway, I inked the edges and I glued it down, added some lace and some book um what do you call this? I forget what it's called. I bought it at a stamp store a long time ago. I don't even know if that store is still around, but it had these fuzzy or like felt type of bookbinding, and I put it there so it would give the spine some stability. And yeah, I oh, look at that. See, this washi tape's not going to last, but I'm going to have to reinforce it with some more glue. It's an old, was gifted some of this washi a while back. I'm finally using it. um, I decorated it a little bit. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. Then I decorated the inside, same paper, and this is a steampunk paper from Graphic 45, and I could have used that as a pocket, but I could still use it in this journal. Here's more of these digitals and these pockets from Target. This is the big one, and then in the back I used a smaller one with these. I put these digitals here. So I really like how that looks. I just really love how this journal is going to turn out. Don't know about the closure yet because I want to wait until I'm done, filling this up with things. And yeah, so that is my make for Satmorn Makes. Um, yeah, so go check everybody out and see what they're crafting today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.